Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial on the AceToolz Blog Post Creator. Creating high quality blog content can be time consuming, but with AI assistance, you can generate comprehensive articles in seconds. In this video, I'll walk you through every feature of AceToolz Blog Post Creator tool with a demo. You can find the Blog Post Creator under AI Tools in the navigation menu at the top of the AceToolz homepage. This is the blog post creator interface. As you can see, we have a comprehensive form with multiple options to customize your blog post generation. Let me explain each section step by step. First, enter your blog post title or topic in this field. For this demonstration, I'll use 10 time management tips for remote workers. Next, select a template from the drop-down. We offer 10 different blog post formats including how-to guides, comparison articles, opinion pieces, case studies, news articles, and several more specialized formats. For our example, I'll select Listicle since we're creating a top 10 post. Use this slider to adjust the word count of your output. Moving it to the right generates longer, more detailed content. More length means more comprehensive information, which typically results in higher quality. For our time management article, I'll set this to 1200 words. From this dropdown, choose how you want your content structured. We offer 5 formatting options: PDF, HTML, Markdown, plain text, and Word document. Now let's look at the optional settings. First is the output language option. This is particularly powerful. You can generate content in a different language than your input language. We support 12 major languages including Spanish, Hindi, French, German, and more. Here's a pro tip. Even if your desired language isn't in the drop-down, our tool can auto-detect the language. Simply write your topic and any context in your target language, and the output will match. For this demo, I'll keep it unchanged. Use the keywords field to specify important keywords you want included in your blog post. This is crucial for SEO optimization. The AI will naturally weave these keywords throughout the content. Check the include meta description box if you want an SEO optimized meta description generated alongside your blog post. Meta descriptions are the short summaries that appear in search engine results, so this is highly recommended for published content. The Humanize content checkbox ensures the output reads naturally and conversationally rather than sounding robotic or overly formal. When checked, the AI prioritizes a more human-like writing style with varied sentence structures and natural flow. For tone selection, by default, the tone is set to professional, but you can customize this based on your audience and brand voice. For our time management tips article, targeting remote workers, I'll select conversational to keep it engaging and relatable. The additional context section is your opportunity to provide specific instructions. You can include details about your target audience, specific points you want covered, particular structure or sections you need, brand guidelines or style preferences, any research or data points to incorporate, or even language specification if you need a language not in the dropdown. Now that we've configured all our settings, let's click the Generate Blog Post button. Please note, blog generation typically takes 20 to 30 seconds depending on the length and complexity. The AI is analyzing your requirements and crafting a comprehensive, well-structured article. And here's our generated blog post. Let's review what we received. At the top, you'll see the actual word count. There's typically a margin of plus or minus 50 words from your target length. You'll also see the number of sections and headings showing the article structure, a readability score indicating how easy the content is to understand, and estimated reading time, which is helpful for readers. Here's the auto-generated meta description since we enabled that option. This is optimized for search engines and gives a compelling summary of the article. Below that, you'll see the keywords we specified. These have been naturally integrated throughout the content. And here's the actual blog post. As requested, it's formatted as a listicle with 10 time management tips, each with detailed descriptions. The content includes an engaging introduction, 10 well explained tips, and a strong conclusion. At the top, you have two options: the copy button to instantly copy the entire blog to your clipboard, or the download button to save the blog post as a file to your computer. And there you have it. In just 30 seconds, we generated a comprehensive blog post with proper structure, SEO optimization, and engaging content. Important reminder: while AI generated content is incredibly helpful, it may contain errors or outdated information. Always review, fact check, and edit the content before publishing. Visit our AI content guidelines to learn best practices for using AI generated content responsibly. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, try out the blog post creator at acetools.com.